Oh, pike. Good size pike. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. My. Oh shit, good size pike. Oh, come on, come on. Don't cut me off. Come on. Oh shit. Don't cut me off, please. Please, please, please. Come on. Be good, good boy, good pike. Don't make any crazy stuff. Come on, come on. Gently, gently. Of course. Or swallowed. No, 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 don't go there, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go. Come here, come here. Come to my short. Come here. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Why are you jumping? Why are you jumping? What is wrong with you? You're not a trout. Oh my God. From where you have so much power? Jesus. No. Wow. No, I don't understand what's happening here. It says pike. And what the hell? Let's see. No, it's not possible. Going back, he's going. Oh, please. I cannot force. Straight away will cut me off. Straight away. Almost ready, almost ready. Good size. Hit on the side. Well, just hit the side. Come on, baby. Hello. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Good size pike. Well, well, well. Excellent. Yes. Good pike. All right.